Hi everybody, I created another GRC tool. Most security compliance programs run on spreadsheets, consultant invoices, and quarterly panic. I built something different. This is HIPAA Sentinel, a Go CLI tool that automates HIPAA security rule gap assessments against real AWS infrastructure and produces executive-ready reports in under 60 seconds. Let me show you exactly how it works. The first thing I want to point out is the architecture. Each HIPAA safeguard category, like access control, audit logging, encryption, transmission security, lives in its own Go package under the controls directory. So here, under the controls directory, you can see access control, audit logs, encryption, network security. This isn't just clean code, it mirrors how a real compliance program is structured. Discrete domains with clear ownership. Adding SOC 2 or FedRAMP controls later means adding a new package. Nothing else breaks. Before we run anything, here is the config file. You define your AWS region, your organization name, and which HIPAA control categories are in scope for this assessment. This mimics how a real audit engagement works. You define scope before you start testing. Now let me run the program and show you exactly how it works. So now let's run it. I'm using the dry run flag here. That means it uses mock AWS data, so I can demo this without exposing any live credentials. This flag also makes it safe to run in any environment, including CI/CD pipelines on pull requests. Watch the output. You can see that it's checking controls in parallel. Access control, audit logs, encryption, network security. The table at the bottom gives you an instant risk snapshot. Uh, Sorry, here, risk snapshot with category, current score, target, and gap priority. So two files get generated whenever this scan runs. The JSON report is for young engineers and security teams. Every control, every result, timestamped and version control friendly, which is under reports here, I believe. So everything in JSON format. Anyone who is technical can easily understand and go through each and every control's result. But this one is what I'm most proud of. The HTML report, which also gets generated so that it's easier to explain what controls are compliant and what needs to be worked on to get the get a successful audit done. Let me show you the report. No, what happened? Does this? There it is. So this report, it's very easy to understand for anyone. technical and non-technical user. So it shows all the 16 controls it ran, 9 passed and 7 failed. It tells you how many are critical and which category of uh, of the controls the failure occurred, including going in depth into each control, where it failed, what the findings are, and what is the remediation steps. So I think this is pretty cool. Uh, all you have to do is just send this report to any of your managers, anyone who uh, wants to easily understand what exactly the current situation is when it comes to HIPAA audits. So that's what the HIPAA Sentinel does. Make everything easy, easy to understand, easy to execute, easy to fix whatever is not compliant, and easy to get HIPAA compliant. That's it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.